Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OneTrust for consent and preference updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Look for the Resources tab in the main navigation menu. Click on Resources to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Webinars and Events to find relevant sessions. Browse the list of available webinars and events. Identify any upcoming sessions that focus on consent and preference updates. Click on the specific webinar title to access its details. Review the description to ensure it meets your interests. Locate the Register button on the webinar page. Click the Register button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. This usually includes your name, email address, and company details. Review your details for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and verify the registration. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email. You may need to add the webinar to your calendar using the provided link. On the day of the webinar, return to the OneTrust website to access the session. Watch the presentation to learn about the latest consent and preference updates. After the webinar, look for additional resources mentioned during the session. Consider subscribing to the OneTrust newsletter for ongoing updates. Visit the footer of the OneTrust website to find the newsletter sign-up link. Enter your email address in the designated field. Select your preferences for the types of updates you wish to receive. Submit your preferences to finalize your subscription. Continue to monitor your email for the latest news and updates from OneTrust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.